My name is Kelebileone Lotshwao. I'm from Kanye. I'm a singer. Please, people, go high, vote for me. What you see is simply flesh. What's flowing in my veins is simply blood. I'm a human being, and sometimes make me stay. So baby, tell me what to say, yeah. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to say, yeah. Tell me what to do to win back your trust, hey, yeah. Tell me what to say, yeah. Tell me what to do to make you believe that I still love you. Oh yeah, should I fly up in the sky and bring one of the stars down next to you? Will you believe that I really love you? Should I cut myself into pieces? Will you trust me again? Oh yeah, I ask you to go out with me, and that I feel like talking to somebody, but you refuse. Oh yeah, she came at the right time where I needed somebody to talk to. I know what I did is really wrong, but if you could forgive me, I will make it up to you. I will make my dreams come true, to be with you forever and ever. Oh yeah, baby, tell me what to say. Baby, tell me what to do. Baby, tell me what to say to win back your trust. Tell me what to say. Tell me what to do to make you believe that I still love you. Should I fly and bring one of the stars down next to you? Will you believe that I still love you? Should I cut myself into pieces? Will you believe that I still love you? Oh yeah.